I have finally made the cuts for my bed, and there it is. You can see it. This is going to be the bed, and it is too much heavier than I ever anticipated. I don't know how it got to that point, but this thing is heavy, and I am not sure why. That's the thing. I didn't record any of this. Why didn't I do that? Well, my cuts were so crooked that I never wanted anyone to ever think that they can, do a Vanker version this way as well. I know still you guys are going to be, what's the word? Astonished? I don't think that's astonished is correct. But you guys will see. Some of you will notice what I have done. But thankfully, the bed frame is, like everything that's needed. I have cut them. I have actually attached a few, actually two of the boards. I have attached them. I checked them in the van. They fit perfectly. It's heavy. This bed is very, very heavy. And I still have to, put one of these boards. This is going to be like supporting the sliding portion. When we slide the bed out, this board is going to come out with it. So either I could do that, or I could use a half a board or cut the board some way. That's kind of the plan, so we will see about it. This board is for the feet side of the bed, and this is where I need to make the cuts for the wheel well. Also mark spots for the pocket holes that we will use to hold this together. This is it. Here we go. Is it straight? Is it straight through? Okay, it's a good thing this is going to be on the inside. I'm going to sand these to make them a little bit pretty. I think I've done it. I started with a tinier bit. It turns out I need a bigger one. So I'm going to make, that's why I did the second one over here. I'm not going to be using this one. I will close it with, fill it with a wood filler. Same for this one. I'm going to make one more. Let's do one more and then call it. I have these two screws available. These are specifically for the wood. They told me, I have no idea. And this one is a self-tapping one. Planning on using this one. Seems like it will have much more holding power. These are larger, more spaced, more beefier screws. So here it will go. This is where it will end, and this much is going to be in the other in the next sheet where it's going to connect to. The plan is to use wood glue as well, and then these. If need be, I will increase the number of screws. And I need to drill pilot holes first into these because pilot holes are lifesavers, at least for me. It is set to drill. I don't know if this will make any difference in the drill mode, and this is set to the fastest. Like this is slow, this is fast. Let's try this for now and then to do these. I am so happy. I am so excited. I can't tell you how good it feels. After working about 3 nights, 4 hours each, I was able to make the bed. Yeah, I did it. It's not an exciting bed. This is my first bed. Mistakes were made, but the final result is gorgeous for me. Let's take a look. Yeah, that thing you are seeing, this is not for a vampire. This is my bed structure. I have cut all the slats, and this is going to be a semi-sliding bed. It will slide out to here to accommodate 2 persons. It's sitting a bit higher than conventional beds, but that's on purpose. And there it is. Yeah, it's gonna come down once more. That's to fix some slats, and maybe I'll be cutting excuse me. Maybe I'll be cutting the front bulkhead type of thing, to make room for two drawers or cabinets, cabins type, deal. They will open upside, and this whole space is going to be my storage. So that's the plan. This is another first. I've tried it and I have failed miserably with it. I've never been able to cut a straight line, but these are small cuts. Let's move. It won't destroy everything. Can you see this? Ouch! Didn't know this will happen. Seems straight enough. Well, this is a good size for the cabinet door. Kitchen. Oh no, let's see it. Oh, yes. This is my first one. Sliding part. Let's see how good it's like. I'm happy. Truly happy. I did it, baby! When I started this van, I had never built anything like this before. Every straight cut was a challenge. Every joint took longer than it probably should have. And more than once, I wondered whether I was actually capable of building the things I could see so clearly in my head. But this is real. It may not be perfect. There are mistakes in it that I can see, and probably a few that I haven't found yet. But I built it, and somehow, piece by piece, this empty old van is starting to feel a little less like a project, and a little more like the place I imagined it could become.